sign up for a CUDoc account. Using any of your devices, open your preferred web browser, then search or type the link www.cudoc.com. Once you're on the CUDoc homepage, click the register button on the top right corner of your screen. Fill out the registration form with your email, password, first name, last name, birthday, and sex. Then click Create an account. After signing up, you will see Account Created Successfully on the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation message will be sent to your email address to verify your account. Simply click the Confirm My Email button or the link provided to complete your web sign up. Once you've successfully logged in, you can now discover the range of possibilities available when using CUDoc. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial video helpful and informative. Check out our other video guides in CUDoc's social media accounts. If you have any questions, you may reach us through support@cudoc.com.